If the Customize Chrome button has disappeared, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring it back and customize Google Chrome again in just a few simple steps. This is especially useful if your new tab page looks different, if the Customize option is missing, or if an extension has changed the way Chrome opens new tabs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to check your search engine settings, disable conflicting extensions, and access Customize Chrome another way if needed. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. From there, click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page, where we can start checking the parts that may be affecting your new tab page. In the left sidebar, click Search Engine. Now look for the setting that says Search Engine Used in Address Bar. This is important because Chrome works best when Google is set as the default search engine. If something else is selected here, that can sometimes affect how Chrome behaves and may interfere with the normal Customize Chrome option. To fix that, click the Change button, select Google, and then click Set as default. Once that's done, Chrome should be using Google as your main search engine again. After that, open a brand new tab by pressing Ctrl and T on your keyboard. This creates a fresh new tab, which is where the Customize Chrome button normally appears. Take a look and see if the button has returned. If it has, great, you're all set. If it still isn't there, the next thing we need to check is your extensions. Some extensions can replace the default new tab page, which means the Customize Chrome button may not show up at all. To check this, click the three dots menu again, go to Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. You'll now see every extension installed in Chrome. Look carefully for anything related to new tab pages, dashboard tools, homepage changes, tab managers, or search toolbars. These types of extensions are the most common reason the Customize Chrome option goes missing. If you find one that looks suspicious or unnecessary, turn it off using the toggle switch. You do not always need to uninstall it right away, because disabling it first lets you test whether it was the cause of the problem. After disabling the extension, press Ctrl and T again to open another fresh new tab. Check whether the Customize Chrome button has reappeared. In many cases, once the conflicting extension is turned off, Chrome goes back to normal and the button comes right back. And there's one more way to access it. If you still want to customize Chrome manually, click the three dots menu, hover over More Tools, and then click Customize Chrome. This can give you another route to the same customization options, depending on your Chrome version and setup. So if the button is missing, use the search engine settings, check your extensions, and try the More Tools menu as well. That usually solves the issue quickly. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy browser fixes and helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.